Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. It's 102 degrees out here. I'm melting. I'm gonna show you. We're installing some new OXILAM LED light. These are the best, at least in the H7s that we've used, that we found.
H7, not 87.
H7.
Yeah, it sounded like you said 8.
Put in my Avalanche. They are over a year and a half old. I used to burn out my regular bulbs in 8 months or so, which is a pain. This luckily, I take the bumper off, but this is how you change the headlights in a first gen 2008 14 Ford Edge. So very simple.
These are aftermarket.
These are aftermarket.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be different. Sorry, these are the akkon / spyder U bars. Did we do a video on these? We did, right? I think so.
I think so.
Okay, we didn't. I don't know. But here we go. There we go. And so you got to take this here, clip like that. Take out the halogen.
Don't put them here.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No, don't put them
I'll move
here.
it in a minute.
You broke these. Yeah, you closed the hood on them
Okay.
last time.
And I don't need them that much. Okay. They got little knobs. You gotta figure out which way they're supposed to go. And on this one, it goes down and to the inside. Little grooves, just like that. Take this little clip, put it in like that, hold it in place, re-plug it in. Now because it's an LED, only one side works, so we have to turn on the car's lights to see if it works. So. Are they on?
Yep.
The LED?
Yep.
Is it bright?
Yeah, I think so. It's daytime.
Alright, everybody. So, there she goes. Take it, screw it back in. I think the old headlights did the exact same system though. I think they were exactly like this. We just turned them, pulled it out. Unplug the wire first because it's held down the bulb. Push down on this clip. Can you see it kind of? Can you see in there? Okay. Take that out. Okay. Let's find out if we got it. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Good? Oh, it's real bright.
Yeah.
I can see it on the bumper. The other one I could barely see on the bumper.
Yeah.
That's gonna be nice. All right, y'all. These OXILAMs are great, especially in these akkon and spyder housings. They have a good cutoff. I'll show you guys in the dark later maybe. Right here, they just cut off right there, like 25 feet away, put it on the wall, and there's a nice clean cutoff so it's not shining up in everybody's eyes. Like I said, these are the best ones we found so far, and brightness-wise, a lot of them kind of suck.
Leave it up. Kylie's gonna fill up her.
Lily, okay? All right, Al, so that's it. Easy change out. Love OXILAM lights, okay? I'll do a review on this car showing you the difference later. Well, not the difference because I'm not showing you the ones, but the bulbs that come with it aren't that great, but even with the buying like Sylvania or something, they're not good either. So that's it, all right? As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Please like, subscribe, it helps during these times. All right, bye-bye.